Need to replace the griddle top on your Blackstone 2177? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job. About 30 minutes, no tools at all. Just heat-resistant gloves, a scraper, and some high heat oil for the seasoning. Let's get into it. Step 1. Lift the old top off. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything stone cold. Then, we can work. Lift the hard cover off its hooks and set it aside. The top isn't bolted down. 4-foot pins seated in the body. Slide it to unlock the pins, then it's a genuine 2-person lift. Gloves on, 1 person on each side, straight up until it clears. It's the heaviest piece of the whole machine, so don't be a hero. Step 2. While the body's open, look at the burners. You've got 4 tubes right there in the open. Brush along each tube and check that every port is clear, and eyeball the igniter needle. It should sit 3 to 7 millimeters off the burner, right above a port. Clogged ports are what cause weak flames and cold spots, and a 2-minute brush now usually saves you that headache. Step 3. Seat the new top. The same 2-person lift, in reverse. Line up the 4-foot pins. Front pins into the front locking holes. Push the top back, and set the rear pins in their holes. Push until it locks. Then hang the hard cover on the back of the new top, and push on the corners. Flush and solid, no rocking. Step 4. Season it. First, and only this once. Wash the new top with hot soapy water, rinse, and dry it completely. That strips the factory coating. Then run all 4 burners on high until the steel changes color. Wipe on a paper-thin coat of oil and let it smoke off. Repeat 3 or 4 times until the surface goes black. That black layer is your nonstick, and it only gets better from here. Before you call it done, run the checks. Light all 4 burners in sequence. Each one should catch fast and burn a vibrant blue from high to low. Run a little oil across the surface. It should spread even and drain back to the grease cup, not pool in the middle. Check the top sits flush, with no rock at the corners. And after your seasoning rounds, the surface should be an even black. If it's brown and sticky, you used too much oil. Heat it, scrape it, and re-season thin. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.